Hello, my beautiful people. I'm at a farm here in Ibadan, and we have lots of let me say animal products that you can rear and make money. They are very, like I was told, they are very, very profitable. This is rabbits, and we have different species of rabbits, with not just one type. We have different types, like I was told, and so they reproduce every month. And if you're looking for a business that does not consume your time, this rabbit rearing is not time consumption, and their feed is readily available, easy to find around you, and you make lots and lots of money from them. Everything about rabbits is all about money, from their urine to their meat. Their meat is very, very good, and their meat is even advisable that you take the rabbit meat. That is, it has a lot of let me say health benefits. So this is rabbit, and if you want to buy, we have rabbits available. You can just, I'm going to put my number at the screen. You can call me to order. If you want to buy for rearing, if you want to buy for consumption, and if you want any consultant on how you can rear rabbit, which is very, very profitable in Nigeria nowadays, you make your money, and so this is rabbits. You can see these are rabbits we have here. I'm at big farm. We have rabbits here. So these are rabbit kits, and they are just a week old. One thing about rabbits, they grow so fast. So this one really grows so fast, a week, and everywhere you can see it's so airy. So these kits are giving birth to by just one rabbit. It will interest you to know that they grow very fast. When I say very fast, they grow very fast. And this is, I think this is just a month. A month. See how grown they've become. See how big they are. And going for rabbit farming is so profitable because the rabbit can reproduce 6 times in a year. And when you're having a rabbit reproducing 6 times in a year, and having maybe for the first time giving birth to 6.
kò ṣe abiyamọ gidi tó ṣe wà yìí, because tó bá bímọ ń sìn kò kí ń tọ́jú ẹ̀, but there are also other ones tẹ́ pé tó bá bímọ bí irú yẹn ń sìn ó máa ń tọ́jú ọmọ. Abiyamọ ló máa ń
Is it
tọ́jú.
their species that determines,
No,
or
no.
just
Ó depend tó bá ṣe bí ń gbà mí, because the study I did about them is once tó bá ti bímọ bẹ́ẹ̀ and they are afraid, is either they eat it or they don't come closer. Sí tí ẹ̀rù bá ń bá wọn àbí any predator bá wà lára, they are scared.
was actually explaining here is there are some breed that after giving birth, they lose the kit. One, he said maybe due to some of them, they are just afraid of having the kit. They kill the kit, or sometimes if a human hand touch the kit, they eat up the kit. And so there are a lot of factors that affect rabbits for not keeping their kits. Like we all know that rabbits run very fast. So if they drop this rabbit, it was even asking me to carry the rabbit. Carry rabbit. If that thing fall down, I can't pursue rabbit. So this is a very big rabbit, very, very big. And at this point, they're just trying to pamper the rabbit, make the rabbit feel calm, holding it in the ear. And they said, like they told me, this is the best way to hold rabbits. And for this particular rabbit, I think he has just collected ejection, so he's not really staying so calm. And I was told I have to be careful because of the nails. So when you have rabbits in your pen, because of their nails is very sharp, you have to make sure that their cage, if it's possible to construct with iron, is better than wood, because they usually heat up the wood to escape. But if you have a metal or you have a brick you build for them, I think it's better for them. In rabbit farming, you have to ask for a special species for the one that you are going to
breed. Like this one, the four, he has pulled out the four. See how sharp their teeth are. So when you're selecting for your rabbits, rabbit rearing, some rear for meat and some rear for just keeping and reselling. So if you're keeping for reselling or for reproduction, you don't really need to worry so much about the type of rabbit to rear. But if you are keeping it for meat, there are some people, they major on just they rear the rabbit and kill the rabbit, then roast the meat and sell it off. So if you are for roasting and selling off of the rabbit, then you have to consider a particular type of species that reproduce fast and give birth very fast. So as they higher, there are different type of species. Interesting thing about rabbit rearing is you make your money. Everything is all boiled down to business. You make your money and their mortality rate is very low if you take precaution in every step you need to take to keep them. They are very, very money magic animal. You make your money, and there are people that doctor recommend for them to eat rabbit meat because rabbit meat is white meat. And so there are a lot of, I have a place in Ibadan. This woman, all she does sell, you can't get there and see any red meat with her. All she sells, the only thing she sells there is rabbit meat, roasted, and she'll use it for pepper soup. So rabbit meat pepper soup, and the taste is tasty. You like the taste. So if you've not tasted rabbit meat before, I beg, take your time and test it. You see that rabbit meat is a very, very good meat. You will like it. You enjoy it. I mean it. I've tasted rabbit meat and it's so sweet. You wouldn't want to eat red meat after eating rabbit meat. So this type of species, you can see the eyeballs is pink, very pink in color. Some are black. So this determine the type of species that you can rear when you want to rear for rabbits. But if you need any question, you are interested in rearing of rabbits, then you can just email me at ojolakpelasisi3@gmail.com. It will interest you to know that there is place in Ibadan, a big farmland where you can plant, you can rear any type of animal you want to. All you just need to do is just to come in here, list the portion you want, and you start rearing whatever, whether you want to plant, you want to have fish pond like this fish pond, or you want to go for pen, anyone. All you just need to do is just come around, list this place, and it's so secured. You come in with your worker comes around, make sure they check either your plants or your animals, and just take care of whatever you are. So this is a great opportunity for you. If you don't have space at the back of your house and you felt the area you are living with, you can't rear any animal and you're interested in this type of business, then you can get in touch with Ojolakpe Space. I'm going to link you to how you're going to get to this place in Ibadan. It's a very big place. People have pigs, turkeys, to fish pond. This is fish pond. And it will interest you to know that ostrich, some people keep ostrich here at this area. So what you do is, if you're interested, even if you don't live in Ibadan, you can come around from any state. All you just you need someone to be in charge. Move around to see another pen, and this pen, they rear chicks, and this is a day old Brahma. And what's interesting about Brahma is covered with feather. All part of Brahma is covered with feather. Rearing of Brahma is a very productive business that you can start and make your money. You are going to make your money. So like this Brahma, once they lay eggs, they take their eggs to hatchery and you get your chicks. You can sell it you can sell day old at the hatchery, or you market it. And it will interest you to know that just a day old chicks of Brahma now is sold for 10,000 naira. So you could imagine you have crates, and a crate of eggs is 30, and you hatch that 30 and you're able to get 30 chicks, then definitely multiply your 30 times 10,000, and that is a lot of money. So Brahma business is good. If you start Brahma business, just get in touch with me. I'm going to put you through where to get the chicks and how to get the pen, and you're making your money 2023. You can write in the comment section if you have heard of Brahma birds before. You can just put in the comment section. And if you have eaten Brahma meat before, hey, how does it taste? Please, let's share. Let people know that Brahma meat is very, very sweet. If you're watching me for the very first time and you've not subscribed to Ojolakpe's Place, please subscribe to Oju Olakpe's Place. Subscribe to my channel so that I'm going to bring more business opportunity around, especially in Ibadan, that you can take advantage of. And if you're my returning subscribers, I say thank you. God continue to bless you for watching my video. So let's ride on to today's business. A pen. Get someone to be in charge if you know you're a busy person and the person is just going to look after your pen. Nothing, nobody, no thief is coming to this place. They check everybody that is coming and they are going out. It's a very big compound with a big gate. I want to say a very big thank you to mommy. She gave out these chicks, these Brahma chicks, that one is going for 10,000. She gave me these two that should go and rear it at home. I say thank you. May the good Lord bless you and continue to increase your farm. Thank you for this great gift. I appreciate this so much. I'm starting my own Brahma chicks rearing in Ibadan. So I have just 2 Brahma chicks. I'm not going to get a pen here, so I'm taking them home to go and rear them at home. If you're interested in starting Brahma rearing, you can also get in touch with me. I will link you with this farmer and they're going to put you through. At this place, I know I'm moving from one pen to another. It's my Brahma chicks. So this is a fish pond. The fish pond, there are some fish ponds that is still available. So if you know you're interested in fish farming and you've been thinking of, oh, I need a pond, I can't make pond at the back of my house, I don't have a land for me to start a fish pond, then you can come around to this area and rear and get it done. There's some people are rearing monkeys here. So I visited monkey.
Did it come with banana? Sorry. What are we going to give you now? Hello, how are you?
There are much there.
What about for this boy? Is it the same type of fish or different types?
These are tilapias.
Oh, they are all
This is
tilapias.
This is tilapias and this is catfish.
Wow.
These boys picked fingernails and take home, reared it, and sell it off. That's how they are making their own money. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I say see you in my next video. Bye.